Yo 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 mga karapsa, we are back for another FP. So nandito ngayon tayo sa Tuscan, Italy. So samahan nyo kaming tikman ang sarap ng buhay. Let's go!
Was holding all the cards and always kept me in the dark. I never thought I could shake this heartache until I saw your light, and it's got me feeling like life is good, yeah. Life is good, yeah. Yeah, in my darkest times, you got me feeling like I've been walking on air. Left all my worries and cares.
Nandito kami ngayon sa San Francisco International Airport. Delayed yung flight namin pa Italy. Let's go! Tipid tips. Tara, magbo-boarding na yung flight namin at 8 p.m. Tara, let's go. Samahan nyo kaming pumunta ng Italy. Na-cancel yung flight namin, so mga madaling araw na yung dating natin sa Italy, sa Florence. Go! Kaya pala wala sa mood to. Gustong bumili ng unan. Ayun, bili ka na ng unan mo. Happy na? Ang bibaw? Thank you. We are here in Zurich for 5 hours. Be over.
Life is good, yeah.
Yo yo yo, nandito na kami saan na ba tayo? Naglalag na utak ko. So almost 12 AM na. So pinipick up na namin yung kotse namin na nirentahan. Mga 1 AM or 2 AM kami makakarating sa hotel. So bukas ko na kayo itutur. Let's go, ito na yung kotse natin. Nakapagod. Ang liit pala nitong kotse natin. So pinagkasya namin yung mga maleta. Tignan mo sa wallet mo.
Feeling like
So it's 2 AM in the morning. Kakarating lang namin dito sa hotel. Bukas ko na kayo tour. Let's go. Tulog na kami na mga 5 hours muna. Let's go! So late na kami nakarating dito sa hotel namin. Siguro mga 2 AM. Tapos nagising kami 7 AM. At itutour ko kayo ngayon sa aming room. So maganda naman. Iniintay ko lang si Shilin mag-ready and magbe-breakfast na kami. And let's explore Tuscany. Marami tayong gagawin today and for the next 3 days. Let's go!
100 grams.
Nandito tayo ngayon sa Montepulciano, Italy. So yung pangalan ng hotel is Villa Poggiano. And so ito yung room na tinutuluyan namin. So may bathtub, may shower room. the view. So we're gonna stay here for the next 3 nights. So breakfast muna tayo for today's start of the day. Pwede din. Tingnan natin. For first order of business, shopping. Bibilang ko ng regalo si Shelleen for birthday and lahat na. So nandito tayo ngayon sa Firenze Mall Outlets. So tignan natin kung mas mura nga dito yung mga Italian brands. And dyan muna tayo. Mura ang mga Italian brands. So may invoice. Tingnan natin dito. Okay, tapos na tayo. Tapos na kaming mamili ng regalo ni Shelleen. Happy na ang birthday girl. Pati ako happy na. Budol is real. Nabudol tayo dito. Tara na, lumayo na tayo sa lugar na to. So, let's go. Okay, nakota na tayo. Umuwi na or maghanap tayo ng kakainan namin for lunch. Hindi pa kami nagla-lunch. 3 PM na, balik na tayo dun sa hotel. Go! We are here in Piazza Tuscany. So maliit na town lang siya dito sa region ng Tuscany. Pero maganda din. So ito yung famous cheese nila dito. Pecorini. Pecorini ata ito eh. Amoy na amoy mo yung goat's cheese. Kaya ano? So mamaya mag-ano tayo gelato. What's this one?
This is a grappa.
Oh, like a wine? Like, or...
Sì. Deriva dal vino, no?
Oh, like a spirit. So it's like a strong one. How much for the shot?
How much? This is free.
Ito legit na luto ng Italiano. Ang sarap. Sarap. Yung noodles niya tagliatelle. Yung makapal. Sarap. Sarap tiramisu. Legit na tiramisu to. Hindi may alak ata to.
You must open
Wide.
Okay?
What did I do to myself?
No problem. Sit down. Open. Okay, don't close. Okay? It's important. Don't close.
Opo. Wag po. Wag. Opo.
and don't move. Coming.
It's strong.
Very strong. What is it? This is green tea. Want to taste?
It's very good.
Did a good job. I take a glass. I take a glass for you. Another glass. 43 degree.
In my country, we have the same, but like in a coconut spirit.
Yeah. This is spirits from the grapes.
Oh,
It's the same.
very strong. Yo. So nag-decide kami magsuswimming muna para masulit namin yung hotel. And endorser na ako ng Villa Pogliano, yan no. Mamamatay pa. may pa free towel sila diba? Ang fancy. May tote bag pa. Medyo exclusive tong resort. Kaya konti lang yung tao. Ganda naman ang kadate ko, oh. Sarap yan.
I know a place where we can go and be alone. So come away with me, nobody has to know. Where we gonna go?
Gabi na dito, magdi-dinner lang kami. Kapag swimming na medyo antok na, so hanap lang ng kakainan and bumalik kami dito sa Pienza. Maganda din pala dito pag gabi.
Was just calling to see if you're free to run away with me. To run away with me. Don't tell your friends, we'll let them know we're safe later on. The road's calling, sun on our skin, sleeping under stars when it's gone. I was just calling to
Ano ko bilhin ko po siya? Local.
Oh no, sorry.
That's it.
to run away with me. To run away with me. To run away with me. Away with me.
eat this one, right?
No, that
Or else I'll have stones
just
in my
for
tummy.
decoration.
I'm just kidding. Iniisip ko bukas, ang init, tagaktak ang pawis ko niyan.
To run away where